Have you ever felt like you're not ready yet? Like you need one more course, one more plan, or one more push? Guess what? You're never going to feel ready. And that's exactly why you need to start now. Sara Blakely, the founder of Spanx, had no experience in business, no fancy MBA, no big investors behind her. But she had something powerful, an idea, and a belief. If I wait until I'm ready, I'll never begin. She started with just $5,000 and a dream. She failed. She got rejected. People laughed at her idea, but she kept going. And today, she's a self-made billionaire. All because she didn't wait for permission. When Steve Jobs started Apple, he didn't wait for the perfect product. He worked with what he had, and it changed the world. Jobs once said, "You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking back." Here's the truth no one tells you. Success doesn't wait for the perfect moment. It comes to those who move, despite imperfection. Want to write a book? Start with one page. Want to learn English? Start speaking, even if it's broken. Want to start a business? Begin with what you have. Right now. Waiting only feeds your fear, but action builds confidence. And as you listen to this story, in English, you're not just getting motivated. You're learning how to express your dreams, your fears, your power in a new language. Every word you understand is a step forward. Every sentence you repeat is a victory. So here's your challenge. Stop waiting. Start before you're ready. Start small. Start scared. But start. Because your future self is already cheering for you. Drop a comment below. What's one thing you've been waiting to start? And if you want more English stories that lift you up, subscribe now. You got this. Strong.